this? What's this brown thing?
Okay.
What is it? What
I don't know.
is it? What is it?
I don't know.
I don't know. It looks like a worm. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a worm.
Oh, no.
It looks like a sea snake.
No.
I really want a sea snake.
You want to see snake?
And how much of that, Bob, is because of the cadence difference now that you've got Matt Moore in the ball game, the different flexion that he has in his court?
That's something to do with it. When Matt Moore practices with these guys every day as well. I mean, Tannehill may take 65% of the snaps, but Matt Moore takes 35%. They hear him all the time.
So now 3rd down and 9, you're back to the 22. The 39-yard field goal will remain here. Here's the pass. Hoskins, the intended receiver. Flag goes down. Hazel, that is. Downfield was hit hard by Ahmad Dixon. And using the crown of your helmet, not allowed in the National Football League. And Hazel got hit.
Got hit. He's a, what is that, a defenseless receiver.
Yeah. A defenseless receiver that actually had pulled up on the football.
Yes.
And there was no reason to hit.
Personal foul, unnecessary roughness. Defense number 26. Numbers that under contact, put on a defenseless
Keeper
receiver.
Baylor, Ahmad Dixon, the 7th round pick.
Automatic first
So we
down.
hope Hazel's all right. That's a tough blow.
Wow, no question. Yeah, that's the easy call there. I mean, he taking 2 steps after he given up on the football. Helmet to helmet.
That's going right after the receiver with the helmet. That's strictly that. Not even worrying about the ball. So that'll be 1st down, 1st and 10 at the 11-yard line. With 2:08 to go, here's Damian Williams. Well, he's not easy to bring down. We're going to have our 2-minute warning coming up right now.
Yeah?
Make me mad.
No, I don't want to make you mad.
2-minute warning.
No, I want you to make me mad and my ring changes.
Let me see your ring.
Make me mad.
Let me see your ring.
Make me mad. Make me mad.
Let me see your ring.
Daddy,
Let me see your ring. Oh, first show me your ring.
it's purple. What purple mean?
I don't know.
What purple mean?
That's
Daddy?
mommy.
Purple means
Sleep number 7 is 35. Remember Rock, 60. And snoring?
purple color
That
means
means it's nighttime.
purple color means happy.
Oh, that means you're sleepy.
Now,
Need to go to sleep.
year. All beds on.
Let's wake up Frosty.
Daddy,
What?
make me mad. Make me mad for something.
Okay, no iPad tomorrow.
Why?
Because. Look at Frosty. Frosty.
I'm mad.
You're mad? Why?
Why
me
not changing any colors?
Maybe that's the mad color. Let me see it.
No,
No iPad tomorrow.
I'm mad.
Ah! Frosty, come on. Let's go to sleep.
I'm mad.
Frosty,
Daddy,
come on. Night night. Let's go to sleep.
make a picture of him. I'm mad.
You're mad?
Daddy,
What?
can you make me mad?
I already told you you can't play your iPad tomorrow.
And
So you should be
you
mad.
make me mad?
Yeah.
Can I still have that pet?
No.
Why?
Because.
Can I have, no, I'm talking about, can I have the iPad today?
No, it's time to go to sleep.
No, next time. Can I have the iPad next time when it's morning time?
No.
I'm mad!
Come on, Frosty, let's go.
Smash it.
Come on.
I'm gonna smash it. Daddy,
Come on, Frosty.
Daddy, can I play iPad when it's morning time?